Updating your billing address on Spotify is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is current. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the billing information you want to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to your subscription. In the account settings, find the section labeled your plan or subscription. Click on it to view details about your current subscription and billing information. Step 4. Update billing information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new information. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on Spotify. Keeping your account information accurate helps ensure uninterrupted service and correct billing.